Chicken dance, chicken dance, yeah. Sun is shining, boy. Strong stuff. Hey, Chef Andres at home. Today I'm going to show you how to properly cut and prepare a chicken for grilling, smoking, or roasting. In my kitchen we used to call it butterfly, but now if you want to be fancy, you can call this method spatchcock. Yes, spatchcock. It's a very effective method to get caramelization all over the chicken, which at the end is going to produce a nice flavorful piece of bird that you are going to love. And I know that while I eat the one that I am going to be preparing in a second, I am going to love it too. Here we have the bird. So we want to just turn it, and our main goal is removing the backbone. It's important to have a very sharp knife. This one right here, it's super sharp and especially designed for chicken use. Deboning chicken for that matter. So we're going to make a cut like that. Just kind of follow the backbone. Very little pressure on the knife right here. And we're going to just kind of cut following the ribs. So we separated the meat from the bone. And here in this part right here, we're going to find the knuckle bone. I mean, the bones are attached to the leg. And we're going to go ahead and cut that too, both sides. And this will kind of come out in one piece if we do it right. Just like this. Right here, we can cut. Up. Now, this piece right here, the backbone, use it. We can make some chicken stock, and by roasting it or just put it on a pot with a bunch of veggies, and you have your quick chicken stock you can use for different cooking things, making a little soup. But back to the important part, the spatchcock chicken. Right here, look at this. Another cut that we can do to make it even flatter. Remember, flatter is going to become more caramelized on the grill, get a little bit more char everywhere. So that's really the goal of making the chicken this way. Right here, this bone, we're going to just snap it a little bit, push right here, and look at that. Let's see if we can show you this. Super nice. It's ready to be seasoned, and then we're going to go to the smoker. A quick trick so the wings don't burn. We're going to just tuck them right underneath themselves, right there. Look at that. So the tips don't burn out. Time to season the chicken. This one right here is absolute gold. I'm going to leave the recipe for it in the description of the video so you can make it too. I love using a little lime to marinate the chicken. So lime first, then the seasoning, and we're going to let it sit for 30-40 minutes before going on to the smoker. Look at how nicely coated that is. If you like the content I'm creating, down here, smash the like and subscribe button so the channel can get to more people like you. A pellet smoker, a life-changing thing, man. Tell you what, you don't have to be checking the wood, making sure you haven't run out of anything. This is just set it and forget it. I absolutely love it. I have set the smoker at 300 degrees. It should take about an hour to cook this chicken so it's almost fall off the bone without getting dry. Whoa, very nice stuff. To this smoker, you can attach a temperature probe. So we're going to use it. I really like this little gadget. We're looking for an internal temperature at the thigh of 165 degrees to make sure it's safe to eat. Now, just close the lid, and we're going to flip it so we can get that skin nice and crispy in about 45 minutes, roughly. With the wonderful sunset right behind me, the approaching of the chicken being ready, it's imminent. Let's get this bird on this tray. Oh, I like to squeeze a little lime juice or lemon juice on the chicken before I dig in. Ooh. Yes, gives it a delicious flavor. Just right off the board right here. Let's try this. Oh. So good. Wow. Char, the seasoning. You definitely have to make this.